Hello students, good morning. Yes, today is our maths class. In the last class, we discussed about subtraction and textbook activities. So let us start our today's class, chapter 8, tens and ones. And today we are going to do the revision work, okay? Chapter 8, tens and ones. Today we are going to do revision plus workbook activities. Okay, now I am going to show you some flashcards. You have to tell me how many tens and ones are there. Okay? Yes. Look at this flashcard and tell me how many ones and how many tens are there. Very good. There are two tens and how many ones? One ones. You can see here there are two tens. Correct? There are two tens and how many ones? One ones. Two tens and one ones means 21, right? 2 tens means 20 plus 1, 21. Next, yes, look at this flashcard and tell me how many tens and ones are there here? Yes, very good. There are 4 tens, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 tens. And how many ones? Is there ones? No, right? So how many tens are here? There are 4 tens. And how many ones? No, right? 0 ones. No? So nothing it is. 4 tens means 40, right? 4 tens means 40. No ones, no? There is no ones. So it is 40. Means it is 40. Next. Okay. Look at this flashcard. But tell me, how many tens and ones are here? Is there tens here? No tens, right? But there is ones. How many ones are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 ones here. Is there any tens? No, right? Right, 0 there. And how many ones? 4 ones. It means we have number here 4. No? Next. Look at this flashcard and tell me how many tens and ones are there. Very good. There is 1 ten and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ones and 1 ten, right? So here it is 1 ten and how many ones? 5 ones. It means we got the number 15. 110 means 10 plus 5, 15. Next one is, yes, look at this flashcard and tell me how many tens and ones are here. Very good. There are 3 tens, right? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tens and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 ones and 3 tens. Write 3 in tens column. Write 7 in ones column. So 3 plus 7. It means we got the number 37. 3 tens means 30. 30 plus 7, 37. Draw the 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coins you will give for these things. First thing is water bottle. Cost of water bottle is rupees 25. Tell me students, how many 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coins are you going to use? Good. 2 10 rupee notes and 5 1 rupee coins makes rupees 25. Next things are books. Cost of books are rupees 43. Tell me students, how many 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coins are you going to use? Good. 4 10 rupee notes and 3 1 rupee coins makes 43. Next things are pens. Cost of pens are rupees 32. Tell me students, how many 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coins are you going to use? Good. 3 10 rupee notes and 2 1 rupee coins makes rupees 32. Now let us revise breakup numbers. Breakup numbers. Okay. Now I will tell a number. Guess breakup numbers. 24 dash plus dash. Tell me 24 means 2 times 4 ones, right? Okay, you break up numbers. Very good. 2 times means 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 20 plus 4, 24. So 20 plus 4 makes 24. Next number is 36 is equal to 30 plus dash. 36 is equal to 30 plus dash. Tell me what will come here? 3 times 6 ones means 30 plus 6. 3 times means 30. 6 ones means 6. 30 plus 6, 36. So 30 plus 6 makes 36. The next one is 43. Yes, tell me breakup numbers of 43. 43 means 4 times 3 ones, right? So 4 times means 40. So 40 plus 3, 43. 40 plus 3 makes 43. Next number is 15. Yes, tell me breakup numbers of 15. 15 means 1 10, 5 ones. Yes, very good. 10 plus 5, 15. 1 10 means 10 plus 5 ones means 5. 10 plus 5 makes 15. The next number is dash is equal to 40 plus 9. Tell me dash is equal to 40 plus 9. 40 means 4 tens plus 9 means 1s, right? So 40 plus 9, 49. 40 plus 9 makes 49. Now let us see how much money do the notes and coins make. 30 rupees. 3 10 rupee notes makes 30 rupees. 45 rupees. 4 10 rupee notes and 5 1 rupee coin makes rupees 45. 10 rupees. 10 1 rupee coins makes 10 rupees. 22 rupees. 2 10 rupee notes and 2 1 rupee coins makes rupees 22. Now all of you take out your maths workbook. Students, take out your maths class workbook. Write topic, tens and ones, and write today's date. Fill in the blanks. Look at this circle, and you can see inside the circle there is 3 3 ones are 3. Can you see? Here there are 3 circles. 3 ones are 3. Next, you have to complete here 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. Next, look at here. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Can you complete these two? And here again they have given table number 3. You do it both thick. Strike out this and write here 5. Table 5. And also strike out this 5 ones are 5. Okay, here also 5 6 are 30. Okay, kindly make the changes. Look at this one. Follow the pattern and fill the boxes with the right answer. So it is pattern. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So can you tell me difference between these two numbers? Very good. The pattern is add 2, right? Look at here 10 and here it is 20. Can you guess what is the difference between the number? Which pattern is it? Very good. It is plus 5. The pattern is plus 5. Write here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Look at the third one. Here there are two numbers 6 and 9. So can you guess which pattern is it? Very good. Plus 3. Pattern is plus 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Can you complete these two? Can you guess which pattern is it? Kindly complete these two. Go to next page. Write topic, tens and ones and write today's date. Skip 3 numbers and write the before and after numbers of the given numbers. So here there is a number 10 and they have written 7. So they skipped 3 numbers and they got 7. It is before number. And here it is 13, that is after number, right? So next here let us find out the answer. 34. So tell me before number of 34. Skip 3 numbers. Yes, 34, 33, 32, 31. Here we skipped from the middle and we got the answer before number 31. Next, find out after number. So of 34, 35, 36. So here we skipped 3 numbers. So we got the answer after number, that is 37. Next number is 92. Skip 3 before numbers 92, 91, 90. Needs here it is 89. Next find out after number. Skip 3 numbers from the middle. 92, 93, 94. So here we skipped 3 numbers and answer is 95. Can you complete this? Okay. Get this. Answer the following questions. Read the statement properly. Amar has 34 mangoes and he gives away some mangoes to his friend Ajit. Now Amar has 28 mangoes. How many mangoes did he give away? So here the statement says give away. Give away means subtraction. Okay. So Amar has how many mangoes? 34 mangoes. And he gives away. Gives away means subtraction. some mangoes to his friend Ajit, to whom he has given to Ajit. Now Amar has 28 mangoes. How many mangoes he has? 28. How many mangoes did he give away? So now we have to find out how many mangoes he give away to the friend Ajit. Okay. So 4 minus 8 is not possible. So we have to borrow. Yes, 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. 2 minus 2, 0. So Amar has given 6 mangoes to his friend. Okay, kindly complete this second one. Get the next page, write topic and today's date. Add 1/10 to the number given and write it in the right hand box. And subtract 1/10 and write it in the left hand box. Students, here it is the number 15, no? So what they said? We have to add 1/10. 1/10 means 10, right? Plus 10. We have to add 1/10 to the number given. Write it in the right hand box. This is your right hand box. So plus 10. And we have to subtract 1/10 means minus 10. 1/10 means 10. And write it in the left hand box. It is your left hand box. Okay. So 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Here also 90. So okay. So now we have to add plus 10. So 90 plus 10, 100. Write it in the right hand box. Next, 90 minus 10. Very good. It is 80. Write it in the left hand box. 90 minus 10, 80. Next, 86 plus 10. 86 plus 10, 96. 86 minus 10 is 76. 61 plus 10. 61 plus 10, 71. 61 minus 10, it is 51. Can you complete this? Kindly complete this. Look at this. Fill in the boxes. 2 5s are 10. 3 2s are 6. 4 1s are 4. 4 9s are 36. 1 3s are 3. 2 6s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 6s are 18. 1 2s are 2. 4 8s are 32. Finally complete this table. Page, write topic and today's date. Complete drawing tens and ones to the get the right number. Here it is tens and ones. Look at the example. 70 means 110, 7 ones. So here it is 110 and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. Look at the second one. 46 means 410. 4 tens and 6 ones, right? Look at here tens. How many tens are here? Only 2 tens, right? So we have to add 2 more tens here. Draw it neatly. And how many ones? 6 ones. Here they already drawn 3 ones. Add 3 more ones. Okay. Next. 38 means 3 tens, 8 ones. Here they already drawn 1 10. So you have to add how many tens? 2 tens, no? 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. Here there are 3 tens and how many ones? 8 ones. So draw 8 ones. Yes, can you complete this? Okay. Next topic and today's date. Split the number into tens and ones. 18 means 1 tens and 8 ones. 70 means, very good, 7 tens. Is there ones? No. 68 means 6 tens, 8 ones. 6 tens and 8 ones. 5 means, is it tens? No, right? Only 5 ones. Next 20 means 2 tens, 0 ones. So how many tens here? 2 tens. Is there any ones? No. 2 tens means 20. 11 means 1 ten, 1 ones. Means 1 tens. And how many ones? 1 ones. Can you complete this? Okay. Circle the numbers with, I already taught you this, more than 2 tens. Means in tens place should be more than 2. Okay. So 34, 59, 55, 37, 67, 49. Look at all the tens place. All are more than 2 tens. Next one, more than 7 tens. So now we have to circle only more than 7 tens. Look at here tens place 4. It is not more than 7. 92. Yes, it is more than 7. 29. Look at the tens place. It is 2. No, right? It is not more than 7. 82. Look at the tens place. It is 8. Is it more than 7 tens? Yes, circle it. 99. Look at the tens place. 9. Is it more than 7 tens? Yes, circle it. 53. Look at the tens place. Is it more than 7 tens? No. Look at the next number, that is 70. Look at this tens place is 7. Is it more than 7 tens? No. Next, look at the next number 19. 1 10, 9 ones. In tens place it is 1, right? Is it more than 7 tens? No. Next is 80. 8 tens, 0 ones. So 8. Is it more than 7 tens? Yes, circle it. 58. 5 tens, 8 ones. Look at the tens place. It is 5, right? Is it more than 7 tens? No. Leave it. Next number is 79. 7 tens, 9 ones. Look at the tens place. It is 7. Is it more than 7 tens? No, right? Leave it. Can you complete this last one? Kindly complete this page. Write topic and today's date. Fill in boxes with the same number so that answer is equal to the given number. So here it is number 12. 6 plus 6, 12, right? 30. 30 means 15 plus 15, 30. So here you should use same numbers to get the answer. Okay. 86 means 43 plus 43. 54 means 27 plus 27. 36 means 18 plus 18. Next, look at the next one. Fill in boxes with the same number so that answer is equal to the given number. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Here it is first number. 23 plus 23 is equal to, write the answer. 42 plus 42 is equal to. 13 plus 13 is equal to. 20 plus 20 is equal to. Kindly complete this page. Kindly complete your maths workbook. In today's class, we have done our revision and also we completed our workbook activities. Hope all of you are understood. Thank you students. Have a nice day.